Here's how to make money answering questions on Quora. Plus, I'm going to show you a secret traffic hack that will 5x your results in no time. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So Quora, as you most probably know, Quora gets a ton of traffic every single month. Quora has been around for quite some time now, and if I'm not mistaken, I think every month they get more than 500 million monthly visit on their site. But what's really special about Quora is the kind of traffic that you get. You know, this is not some social media website, also some social media kind of traffic. This is search engine traffic. People go on Quora to find solutions to their problem. Whatever problem they have, they come on here to find those solutions, which makes that kind of traffic one of the best kind of traffic that should go for if you are an affiliate marketer. That being said, there are a lot of people somehow struggle a lot trying to make money answering questions on Quora. So we're going to talk about some of the best practices that you can adopt to try and change that. Plus, later in this video, I'm going to share with you a secret traffic hack that will 5x your results in absolutely no time. So don't skip this video because you don't want to miss out on this. So how can you make money answering questions on Quora? How can you get started with this? Okay, so there are a few things that you need to do. Okay, number one is you need to pick a niche. It is very important that you pick a niche and you get known for one specific thing only. Okay, you don't want to be answering a bunch of different questions from different things. You know, you're not trying to be a jack of all trades here. You know how they say jack of all trades is master of none, right? You want to be known for one specific thing. So pick a niche and start answering questions in that specific niche. This can be anything you want. This can go from like weight loss, this can be like fishing, this can be like fashion, whatever it is. You want to be known for one specific thing only. So pick a niche that you might be quite knowledgeable about and start answering questions in that particular niche only. Number two is you want to become an authority. You want to become an authority in your niche. On Quora, when you answer a bunch of questions in your niche, eventually you start becoming an authority. And when you become an authority in your niche, people start trusting you more. People start looking out for your answers, and people are more likely to click on your links and buy, you know, whatever products that you might try to sell to them. So really, number two is to try and become an authority. And there are a few things that you can do to achieve that. Okay, for example, you start posting once or twice a day. Okay, be very consistent. Don't be posting once a week. Post every single day. If you can make more than one post, that's even better, but try to post every single day. Something else you want to do is you want to make long posts as much as you can. Okay, short posts of 50 words or 100 words aren't really gonna make it. When you make long posts, it shows that you know what you're talking about, and also your answers will get ranked even higher for each question. So make long posts if you can. Something else you want to do is you want to have pictures and videos if you can. When you have pictures, it gives your answers a bit more life. It makes it more lively. So try to add some few pictures or even videos if you can. Okay, and then what else you want to do? You want to answer questions very quickly. Okay, you want to sign up for Quora, and then you want to get notified every time there's a new question in your niche, because you want to be some of the first people to answer those questions. Okay, now if you can't write a long post, a long answer for every question, that's totally fine. In some cases, sometimes you might only have the time to write a short post. You only have like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's totally fine, as long as you make sure that you are answering questions, as long as they are coming up, as long as you're doing your best to answer questions as quickly as you can. Okay, and then another tip is if you're not sure about the answer, or you don't really know how to answer that question, it's okay. Go and Google it, go and read about it, and then give your answer around it. Okay, try to answer as many questions as you can, and even if you don't know the answer to a particular question, it's okay to go and read about it before answering that question. So number one was to pick a niche. Number two was to become an authority. Number three now is to have links inside of your post. Now you don't want to do too much of this, okay? It's okay to have a few links here and there. You don't want to do too much, or else Quora might think you're trying to to spam the whole website. So you want to have some links directing your traffic to somewhere else. Maybe you're trying to sell your own products. Maybe you're trying to sell a particular service, or maybe you're trying to sell somebody else's product. You're doing affiliate marketing, which is a business model where you sell other people's products and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. So whatever it is that you're trying to do, try to have a few links inside of your articles, but not too much, because this is how you're going to make money. For example, if you don't have a particular product or service to sell, you could do what I just explained, affiliate marketing, where you sell somebody else's product. And to do that, you could simply go to websites like, for example, there's ClickBank, where you can find a bunch of different products in different niches that you can promote. There's also another one called Digital24, where you can find a bunch of different products in different niches as well. Or you could simply go on Google and type, affiliate program for whichever niche you are in, and you'll find a bunch of different articles telling you the best affiliate programs to join in your niche. So have some links inside of your articles where you can redirect your traffic to somewhere else that will make you money. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click on my channel, go and watch the videos on my channel. I have a bunch of different videos that I've created around affiliate marketing. So go and watch them. I have a ton of value out there that you can learn from. Another important thing that you should do as well is to have a great Quora bio, a Quora profile bio, okay? A lot of time when people will read your answers, some of them will want to know more about you. They want to know more about the person who just wrote this amazing article, this amazing answer. So what's gonna happen is they will click on your username to go and check your profile bio. So it's important that you have a really good, well-written Quora bio. So to do that, you can simply have, like an image of yourself. If you don't want to have an image of yourself, you can simply have an image of something that represents the niche that you are in. You can have your name or a username that is related to your niche. Have a couple of words that is related, that will describe who you are or what you do. Have a short introduction about yourself, show some passion. If possible, maybe try to show that you have credibility in your niche as well. And what you want to do is you also want to have some links. You want to have some clear call to action in your bio also. To really be successful on Quora, guys, you need to be very consistent, okay? You can't be doing this just for a week or two and then just give up. You need to be very consistent, because the more consistent you are, eventually you will be seen as an authority in your niche, and people will start trusting you and reading your answers more. And what's even gonna happen, and this is something that happened to me a lot when I was doing Quora a little while ago, is that people would request answers for you, because they would see that you are answering a lot of questions in your niche. So they would start seeing you as a bit of an authority, and when they would ask questions in your niche, they would actually request answers from you. When you start getting that, that's when you know you're doing the right thing. That's when you know that people are trusting you, people are really reading your answers. So earlier in the video, I talked about a little traffic hack that you can do that will really 5x your results. So let's talk about this, okay? So here's the thing you need to understand. Quora gets most of its traffic from Google, not from inside of its website, okay? People are not really going on Quora and typing in the search bar how to do this. Some people are doing this, but most of Quora's traffic actually comes from Google. People type questions on Google, and then you have Quora questions that get ranked on the first page of Google. That's how Quora gets most of its answers. So why I'm saying this is because you want to answer questions that are ranked on Google, because that's how they get most of their traffic anyway. You don't really want to waste too much time, answering questions that are not ranked on the first page of Google, or that are not ranked on Google at all, okay? So sometimes it's okay to just answer some questions that you see on Quora, because you never know, some of those questions might blow up. But what you want to do is you want to answer questions that are getting ranked on Google, and ideally you want to answer questions that have not been answered by a lot of other people, okay? So how can you go about finding out about those questions that are ranked on the first page of Google, right? Because inside of Quora, it's almost impossible to know which questions are on the first page of Google. So what you want to do is there is a tool out there that you can use that will tell you what are the questions that are on Google. So for example, you have this particular tool here called rf.com, which is a search engine optimization tool that people use to rank articles for their blogs, etc. They give you a bunch of information about keywords that are ranked on Google, keywords that you should go for if you have a blog, and so on. So you can use a software like RF. There's also another one called samrush.com where you can find a similar tool. Now those tools are paying tools. They do cost a little bit of money to use them, but some of those have like free trial or very cheap trial. For example, RF has a free trial where I think it lasts for like 7 days, where you can try and use the software for 7 days, and usually 7 days is more than enough for you to do all the research that you need. Okay, you can sign up for one of those tools, sign up for the free trial, or I think sometimes there's one that will cost maybe $7 for a free trial, but all you need is just 1 week. And you can just go and find all the questions that are ranked on the first page of Google for your keyword. You can make a huge list of 100 or 200 particular questions that are on the first page of Google, and start answering those questions one by one. And this is really how you would really 4x or 5x your results from Quora, because then most of your traffic are coming from Google, and those are almost guaranteed traffic. Again, guys, I want to stress this. You're not going to see amazing results after a few days. This is something that will take consistent hard work to do. So if you're going to do this, be very consistent and don't give up, and answer a question at least once a day, and eventually you will start seeing amazing results doing this. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.